To keep your balance, you must live. So hello and good afternoon everyone. Myself, Thapa, and I am here today to present a project proposal titled Student Attendance Management System SAMS for Social Technical College BRM 6th semester. Before we proceed, here is an overview of what I will be covering in today's presentation, and that includes introduction, problem statement, objectives, development methodology, requirement identification, implementation tools, expected outcomes, project schedule, project cost estimation, and lastly, the conclusion. Let's dive into each of these sections. So, what is Student Attendance Management System? The Student Attendance Management System (SAMS) is a digital solution which seeks to simplify and automate the attendance process and also saves time and reduce errors. And why this system is necessary? To better understand the significance of this project or this system, let us first explore the current challenges that we face with the existing system. Currently, the attendance process is manual, which leads to time inefficiencies and errors. And also, the paper-based attendance records can be lost or damaged easily. Now that we have identified the problems, let us discuss the key objectives of this project that help to guide the development of the solution. And the objectives are to make attendance tracking faster and minimize errors, and also to prevent loss or damages. With the objectives in place, let us now take a look at how I plan to develop this project. For this project, I will use waterfall development methodology because it is simple and is clearly defined stages, as you can see on the slide. Now, to build this project, I will need access to different requirements such as functional, non-functional, hardware and software requirements. Functional requirements describes the specific functions the system must perform. And for this project, the key functional requirements are attendance tracking, generating attendance reports, whereas the non-functional requirements focuses on how the system should perform rather than what it should do. And these requirements include fast and reliable performance, user-friendly interface, and so on. Moving on to the hardware and software requirements, I will need access to laptop, printer, and Visual Studio Code, XAMPP server, Google Chrome, Microsoft Office respectively. For the implementation tools, I will use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the front end, and for the back end, I will use PHP and MySQL to ensure the system is easy to use. Now that we have, I will discuss the tools and technologies to be used for the implementation. Let us move on to the expected outcomes. Attendance tracking will be automated and the data will also be recorded more accurately, which shifts to the digital system and will also reduce paper waste. Let's take a look at the timeline and cost estimation for the completion of the project. As you can see, I have already done planning and data collection and analysis, and for the both tasks, which it took me less than a week. The implementation is in progress and maintenance and report writing is still to be done. And the cost breakdown is as follows. The printing cost will amount to ₹3,000, the internet usage will require ₹1,000, and the data collection has already been completed at a cost of ₹1,000. So, in total, the project is expected to cost ₹5,000. And at last, what we can conclude is that this system will simplify attendance tracking, ensuring efficiency and reliability. Now I am happy to answer any questions or hear any feedback to help this project further. Suggest I will continue to move forward.